Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki kubor bam takasngi. West Jakpal Singh Danau, Jangga West Jaiñtia Hills District, Hagasngi Khatpra Tarik Ujimang, Sien Baar, Ushong Jinyalang Bagibor District, Karbi District Anglong, Halor Kamat Banyo Rab Yang Kipat Nang Rab Lapang Am, Na Gajipin Thut Jangki Karbi Dapat Man Gapa. West Jaiñtia Hills District, Iaksaid But khlem ailad iki briew Assam ban grand but pengsan ya kamat Khappud bagajing im ginong shong ban im kamai chakpo man kasngi ong USP. USP hapdeng gajinyalang bagi nong yalam ka Karbi ringkat ki DC but SP na Assam Karbi district lapan tip bagi pulit ki lapan khan ya gajinya dapat ba akati kathan ta kababu bon ngut ki pulit ha ki jakarep bat shnong badan jing ya gajia khnang ban pintik na bakanam dan kanu kanu gajing jia ka basniu USP wethu na kalyang jangu bapet yang suk san but board district kidang ab ya ki jing batha ki bakham halor kata na ka sarkar bagi jing ya kran ki jing lama jan environment ka kapor ki jing thu kabakong san kalong ban pintik na beginong rat kinurong shiki hali dat beteng ya ka jingya bam chongki USP ulapan pauru bagi pait ba snong khamtam kirang ba snong bar kinong elam snong lai ka jingya trailang kababha bagi borsin shah district bar ki pulen idang le kat bala ban pintik na bagi pait ba kin yo le drep ban pinne ka jingya shongsung ha ka te ka than Khappud district but pulit lakin turu iki pat ba snong bakin nong jai bat ban omal ailad ya gadu kejingya kan at kabala ban pins new ya ka shong suk snong bat jingelang
particularly talking about the West Jaiñtia Hills, there's effective and efficient coordination between all the departments, as well as there's a huge synchronization between what the orders or directions are given from the topmost to be implemented on the ground. Yes. To explore all the possible options to ensure that the livelihoods of the people living in the village are not affected. Are doing the needful for ensuring the same.
As DC sir has already briefed, the meeting was held in very cordial manner. We understand the bottlenecks which are there in place. They are there from long time, and we are trying our level best to sort it out. I would also like to inform that during the meeting itself, I was constantly in touch with our Honorable CM sir. I was briefing him what is going on, and I'm sure he would be in constant touch with his counterparts. We will be submitting detailed report from both DC office and SP office, and hopefully we will see that peace and tranquility recovers and comes back to this particular village forever. That is our hope, prayer and endeavor, alongside the political establishment spearheaded by our CM sir, the administrative establishment spearheaded by Chief Secretary and DGP, and our district administration.